Simple and easy jewelry mehendi design for left and back side #2018 is the topic of today's video. So enjoy this video, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss any kind of amazing videos like this. By the way, if you want to let me know that you like this design, which is done by my friend Shanto, then don't forget to comment below by #Shanto so that I will make more videos with her. One special note here, from starting my YouTube journey till now, the person who is always supporting me is my best friend. So I would like to dedicate this video to my bestie Shanto for always supporting me and to our 10 years friendship. I know I can't thank you enough for this, but I think it's a long time I should do this. I want to make you feel special because you are special. Our friendship is really precious for me. So thank you so much for always supporting me. I'm really grateful to you, and I'm really feeling blessed that I have surrounded myself with lots of good people. And I think it's a life, man, so you should keep some genuine people in your life, because in the end of the day it's really needed that they are with you. So that's all. I hope you like this. Enjoy this video. If you enjoy this, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe with bell icon so that you don't miss any kind of amazing videos like this. Share this video with your friends who like mehendi design. Comment below if you have any kind of feedback. So meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling, and don't forget, you are awesome.